Alright, so the universe itself is expanding faster than the speed of light. The speed of light, it travels at a distance of 300,000 kilometers per second. In other words, if you were to take the distance between the sun and the earth, it takes approximately 500 seconds. In other words, this is what we call an astronomical unit in science. The distance between the sun and the earth is approximately, on average, anywhere between 150,000 kilometers or 93 million miles, and it would take 500 seconds for the light to get from the sun to the earth because, again, light travels 300,000 kilometers per second. But the idea is that, if we were to take that same distance, the speed of light, and really ask ourselves, is the universe faster expanding than that? We could say that that is definitely true because, if we were to somehow get to the edge of the universe, and I mean, there's more than one way to do this, and this would probably be the most accurate way. But then again, I'm not a scientist, but but from all the philosophy and all the thinking I'm trying to really put into this, it seems like it would work. But again, because the universe is so big, and our technology isn't like being able to transport the Earth all the way to the edge of the universe. It's out of our lifetime to really ask this question. But really, the question really is, is the universe faster than the speed of light? And you might get some mixed answers about it, but the main argument that I'm going to present you is that yes, it is, because the universe is expanding so much faster. And again, not to get confused with the observable universe, like what we know about the universe so far, but like uncharted territories that are like on the edge of the universe, let's just say, and maybe even other universes too. But the idea is that the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light because, as fast as light itself can travel within that universe, that light, well, at least until it burns out anyways, is still in that universe. If you were to take a star that was able to implement, and again, like I said before, other stars might actually have different speeds of light. I'm not sure off the top of my head if that's true or not. But let's just say it's still very fast, and we'll say it's 300,000 kilometers per second. The speed of light, if it was faster than which the universe was expanding, at least as of right now, it would be able to surpass, it would eventually travel outside of the universe. That light would eventually find itself outside of that universe that it came from. But the idea is that the universe is so big and it's expanding so fast that it will always be in this universe. So in other words, the better question should be, if we don't know the size of the universe, that would be the better question. How big is the universe really, and what is it expanding into? But more importantly, most importantly, how fast is it expanding? Because if it's greater, you could write like a question mark, and then it's a greater than 300,000 kilometers per second. That would be again, everybody would get a different answer, but that would be the case, though, if it was true. Is the universe expanding faster than the speed of light? And if it is true, it would be far greater than 300,000 kilometers per second, as well as any other, sort of measurement in time. And so, what is faster than the speed of light? What is faster than the speed of the universe? What kind of acceleration would you have to have in order to push towards that? How would it be different? And what would it be, most importantly?